Many revelations were discovered by the Mandaluyong police after they successfully located and were able to talk to the family of the 18-year-old woman selling sampaguita in the now viral video. What those are, Ryan Lasigas reveals in this report.
The Mandaluyong City Police Office has located the house of a girl selling sampaguita who went viral after being kicked by a security guard. According to Mandaluyong City Police Chief Colonel Mary Grace Madayag, the sampaguita vendor is a real student and is not part of a syndicate.
Ika-clarify po natin na yung bata po ay totoo pong estudyante. In fact nga po, siya po ay scholar ng isang private institution at matalinong bata. At nagsusumikap lamang po na madagdagan yung mga pangangailangan nila sa kanilang eskwela dahil po kade-demolish lang daw po ng bahay nila at yun po ay pinatunayan din ng barangay.
It turns out the girl is now 18 years old, studying medical technology.
Ang sabi niya, kaya siya dito sa may Mandaluyong area nagtitinda kasi mas mabilis ang kanyang benta. Ang pinagkakataan po ng mga magulang is pagbebenta po ng sliced fruits sa kalye, nagkakariton. At yan nga po yung pagbebenta ng sampaguita.
Currently, lawyers from the Commission on Human Rights provided legal consultation to the student. The family has yet to make a decision on whether to file a complaint against the mall guard or the person who uploaded the video on social media. Meanwhile, the PNP Civil Security Group has summoned the security guard in the viral video to explain. The security agency involved will also be required to explain to the Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agencies or SOSIA.
By next week po, hintayin po natin yung update. But definitely, kung hindi po mag-appear iting security guard at ang ating security agency, maaari po na kami mag-initiate ng filing na po ng administrative complaint.
Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.